Hello everyone, welcome back to ExcelWeb. In this tutorial, I will show you how to combine name in Microsoft Excel. So let's begin the video. First, open your Excel worksheet, then click on the cell where you want to combine the name. So I'm going to combine this first name and last name into one full name. Now type an equal sign. Now select the name you want to combine to select first name and type and on your keyboard. Now click on a space and put in code again. Now select the last name, press enter. That's it. Hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at ExcelWeb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.